Sadly, this isn't how we actually make our templates, but follow along and you can see the whole process start to finish. Now you've seen the production of how we make our templates, and once they're all cut, we bring them out here and we organize them by this simple SKU system with collection numbers and template numbers so that they're easy to pack and easy to ship. We've also got a video showing how to use each of our templates. I'll link it right here, and you can shop all these designs. There's over 300 of them at jeffmacksupply.com. Thanks for watching. Let us know what template we should make next.